Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BMW M5 drawing easy method. Start by sketching a simple rectangle for the body, then divide it into roof, hood, and boot. Keep your pencil light so you can erase construction lines later. Focus first on wheel placement and overall proportions, then refine the cabin and fenders. Add grille, lights, and badge details last, and finish with shading to suggest form and reflections. Begin by marking the wheel centers and the overall wheelbase on your construction rectangle. Draw light guidelines for roofline height and hood length to establish the car's profile. Use ellipses for wheels and align them to the perspective lines so both wheels sit naturally on the ground. Shape the arches around the wheels and tweak wheel size if the car looks too long or short. Keep adjusting until proportions feel balanced and believable. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful drawing tutorials. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for keeping your snacks and supplies organized during long sketch sessions, and they seal tight so you won't ruin your drawings. They make breaks simpler and cleaner, which helps your focus and creativity. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now add the BMW signature grille, headlights, and front intakes with confident but controlled lines. Block in door seams, mirrors, and the window frame to break up the surface and add realism. Build up values gradually with soft shading to show curvature, and use an eraser to pull out crisp highlights on the hood and roof. Finish by refining small details like badges and wheel spokes to complete the M5 look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.